This is how MIC automates and inspects a simple industrial process. Let's place an order and see how it works. Before launching a fabrication order, MIC checks that all the necessary means are available. If so, start the process. Following the workflow, the MIC informs the robot that it has to pick up raw material from a given position in the warehouse and take it to the CMM to do presetting. MIC collects the feedback from the CMM. If necessary, MIC may involve production personnel. MIC informs the robot that it has to take raw material from the CMM to take it to the machining center. And it communicates to the machining center that the part arrives and sends the machining program to be executed. Once MIC receives the message that the machining center has finished running its program, it notifies the robot to pick up the part and take it to the CMM for quality control. MIC communicates to the CMM the program to be executed for this control. MIC captures the report from the CMM. If it does not pass the quality control, MIC provides diagnostic reporting and executes the defined workflow, for example, reprocessing the part in the machining center with an ad hoc program and notification to the operator.
If the quality control is okay, it notifies the robot so that it places the part in a certain position in the warehouse.
MIC by Smart PM. The industry of the future, today.